A while back, I installed the Realtruck Gorack on my trailboss. I've really been wanting to try out some accessories. Today, we're gonna do just that. I've got this Nilight Roof Rack that I'm gonna install on top of the Gorack. I'm gonna piece all this together and we'll see what it looks like. First, we gotta piece these racks together. I've got to attach these two pieces in all of the 8 holes. Now we'll take the rear U-pipe and attach it with 2 screws. The same sided pipe goes first and then the other pipe goes next. Then it's time to install the front U-pipe. I've got it all together. My biggest recommendation is make sure you don't tighten all the bolts down until the end. So now let's get the front sign on. I got it all put together tonight, so tomorrow I'm gonna see what it looks like on the trailboss. I was gonna install that outside of my building today, but it is too daggum hot, so I've got it in here and I've got it installed. For the back brackets, they went through the slots on the Gorack, and the other one is installed right here. Same story on the front. I was able to use the crossbars of the Gorack in order for these brackets to fit through. And this is pretty secure. It's not going anywhere. This is turning out to be a pretty good accessory for the Gorack because it's flush with the cab. And you don't have this open space here anymore that's wasted. You've got plenty of storage capabilities. I am gonna take this on the road just to make sure there's no whistling or rattling, just to make sure that I've got it installed correctly. Well, I experienced no issues driving down the road. That's why I really like this Gorack, because it's a low profile rack and I'm able to add accessories to it and it not be above the cab. The dimensions on this Nilight Roof Rack is 64 by 39 by 6. So you should have plenty of room to add luggage to the top of your truck bed. Now, if you don't have the Gorack, you can always install this roof rack on top of a set of load bars. If you want to get your hands on this, I'll leave a link in the description below. Well, I appreciate y'all watching this. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.